Mark your calendars, on October 16th, the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X arrives, the handheld that brings PC-level gaming anywhere you go. Get ready for next-level portable gaming. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen ASU Extreme processor and Radeon RDNA 3 graphics, giving you smooth 1080p gaming at high settings. With 24GB RAM and a 1TB SSD, you can play big games without lag or storage issues. The 7-inch Full HD touchscreen runs at 120Hz for super smooth visuals. And with Xbox-style controls, HD haptics, and assignable back buttons, every game feels immersive and responsive. An 80 Wh battery doubles your playtime, and with USB-C, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and microSD support, you can connect and expand easily. Built for comfort, the ergonomic grips and advanced cooling system keep the Ally X cool and easy to hold during long gaming sessions. The ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X is priced around $999 and will be widely available starting October 16, 2025. A must-have for gamers who want console comfort with PC power. If you love portable gaming and high-end performance, the ROG Xbox Ally X is your next game changer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.